Yeah, put your head up a little bit.
Yes! You threw that down my throat! What the heck is that?
I mastered the technique. Ready? Can you see me in your glasses?
What are you doing?
I don't know.
You throwing it down my shirt?
Yeah. Try to do it to me.
What?
Try to do it to me. You hold it. Hell yeah, you rock. What?